sweetheart, you just eat and drink water. I'm gonna look after you till your feet is getting better. What a beautiful boy or girl you are. Don't worry. I won't let anyone else. Eat, sweetheart. Eat, beautiful one, so you can have a strong leg. It's been somebody injured you. One of your brothers, probably. Okay. Good boy, you eat. You eat, my lovely. Eat, eat, eat. I'm staying here till you are fed, and then your brother can come and finish it. But you first. You have to get stronger. I know. Oy, oy, oy. What a beautiful boy you are, or girl. Don't be scared. Don't worry. Nobody's stealing your food. Yes, boy. Carry on eating. You madam have plenty, but you're not gonna eat his food. Good boy. Good girl, good boy. Eat, eat. Don't worry, I feed everyone so they can leave you alone. Good. Had enough? You had enough? Have some water now. Okay, eat more. I'm gonna get to work after.